5 signs your car needs new brake pads. If you experience any of these, you should visit your repair shop as soon as possible. Unusual sounds when braking. If you can hear your car braking, chances are your brake pads need attention. Consider any unusual noise from your braking system a warning signal that the pads should be checked. Brake pads appear thin. You can see your brake pads by looking through the spaces between your wheels. Check for their thickness. Generally, brake pads shouldn't be thinner than a 1/4 inch. Some brake pads are made with a slot in the center that function as a wear indicator. When the wear indicator grinds against the rotor, it will notify you with a squealing noise. Accumulation of dust. Check the wheel for the amount of brake dust that has accumulated. A byproduct of brakes under normal operation, brake dust is a mixture of metallic particles that wear off the surface of the pad. As the pad wears out, the amount of dust they give off will decrease. Noticing cleaner looking wheels is often a sign brake pads need replacement. Vibrating steering wheel. A vibrating steering wheel can happen for a number of reasons. It can mean bent rims, that your tires need to be rotated, or there's a problem with your braking system. If the steering wheel vibrates only when brakes are applied, it's likely the latter. Start by inspecting the brake pads. Spongy brake pedal. If your brake pedal feels spongy, slow to respond, or if you find yourself having to press down further than usual on the pedal, it could be a sign of brake pad wear. Don't wait for one of these signs to become evident. Check your brake pads every 12,000 miles or 12 months, or refer to your car's owner's manual to find out what's right for your car. Proper brake pad maintenance means fewer costly repairs and certainty that you can always stop safely. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe, like, and share.